Hi, this is Keith Sorem from Keller Williams and the Keith Sorem Team. This is the market report for January 2009 for Sunland Tujunga and Shadow Hills. We use a market index to compare market activity from month to month. If it's above 1.2, it is a seller's market. Between 1.2 and 0.8, it's a neutral market, and below 0.8 is a buyer's market. We've been in a buyer's market since 2006. The market index dropped 4 points to 0.18 from 0.22. I want to show you, this is what the market activity graph looks like for the last year. And you can tell this market, Sunland Tujunga and Shadow Hills, has really had a tough time. And it's primarily a volume of, a question of REOs and short sales. Those listings are dominating that market, and it's having an effect on prices, obviously. Let's look first at new listings. We had 30 new listings come on the market, compared to 13 last month. We had 54 last year. So we're seeing a reduction in the amount of new listings coming on the market. We had 13 listings go into escrow compared to 12 last month. Last year we had 8. So we're not seeing very many listings going into inventory, going into the pending column. Pending ratio, 0.43, a drop over half from last month. And last year it was 0.16. So it's sort of like the market took 3 steps forward and 2 steps back. Listing inventory, 163 properties on the market, down from 106 last month compared to 210 last year. So although we're seeing fewer new listings, we're seeing fewer sales, we're also seeing inventory decline. Units sold, 16 homes closed escrow compared to 11 last month and 16 last year. So the inventory that is coming on the market are primarily bank-owned properties, foreclosures, and short sales. And if you're a buyer, there are some fabulous deals out there as long as you don't mind putting in some sweat equity. The average price, $418,000, actually went up last month. The price per square foot, $240.48, down from last month's $271, but compared to $318 last year, that's a big drop. Now it's interesting, the size of the homes that sell affects both the price per square foot and the average sale price. January 2008, the average size home that sold was 1,264 square feet versus 1,739 square feet. That's about a 500 square foot difference. And just to give you an idea, normally when larger homes sell, it's a lower price per square foot. When smaller homes sell, it's a higher price per square foot. So we're seeing a decline in inventory. We're seeing a proportion of pending sales going up, but we're also seeing a lower rate of homes being sold, and that's why the market index dropped. So if you're looking to buy a home, you need two factors that really govern what you're going to pay. One is the purchase price, and the other is the interest rate. Since many Americans wonder, well, where is my part of the stimulus package? Well, I will tell you, if you're a home buyer, your part of the stimulus package is to be able to buy now because interest rates are going up. You get an $8,000 tax credit if you haven't owned a home in the last 3 years. More importantly, though, interest rates have gone from about 4.5% in January up to 5.25 to 5.5% now. And that's probably going to go up because the way that we're funding the stimulus package is through borrowing. And the credit markets are not going to sit there and say, well, you want my money, you got to pay me for it. So you'll probably have questions. So if you're thinking of buying a home, give me a call. Keith Sorem of the Keith Sorem Team at Keller Williams, 1-888-284-2056, or online at LaCrecenteValleyHomes.com. I want to encourage you. Don't look back in 12 months and go, gee, I wish I would have bought now. Buy now. This is Keith Sorem with the Keith Sorem Team. Have a great day.